Good morning, students. Now we will see formulation of LPP. In the last class, we have discussed about the LPP, linear programming problems. linear programming problems में हमारा तीन टा पार्ट है. One, objective function which is to be optimized. Two, constraints. Three, non-negative restrictions. Okay, so here objective function you may have like this: z max is equal to 5x1 plus 2x2. Constraints, normally it is in the form of subject to 2x1 3x2 less than equal to 3. Normally in equation form रे रहेगा x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1. This is your constraint part. This is your objective function, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. This is your non-negative restriction. As I told you in the last class, what are these objective functions, constraints and non-negative restrictions. So now we will see a प्रकार structure का हमरा कैसे आसिलो. Now there will be a question in vertical form. ताको हमें सदैव भी question ताको mathematical form and a power. This is one of the example. A power manufactures two products A and B. Two products A and B. On which the profits earned. On which the profit per unit are 13 rupees and 12 rupees. Rupees 13 and rupees 12 respectively. Each product processed in 3 machines. Each product processed on 3 machines. Each product processed on 3 machines. M1, M2 and M3. M1, M2 and M3. Okay. Now formulate given below. Okay. So this is your machine. M1, M2, M3. The product A, B. This is your product. Machine 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Still the question not completed. The machine 1 M1, M2, M3. Machine 1, M2 and M3 are available for 9 hours 10 minutes, 10 hours and 8 hours 20 minutes. 9 hours 10 minutes, then 10 hours and 8 hours 20 minutes. Respectively. Okay. Now formulate the LPP. Formulate the LPP to find the number of products, to find maximum profit. For number of products. Okay, this is the complete question. Okay, so there are two products A and B. तीनटा देखो, A रे profit होगी 13 rupees, B रे profit होगी 12 rupees. Then machine 1 रे एटा 4 hours, एटा 3 hours, एटा M2 रे 2 M3 रे 3 4 से तैयारी होबो. So तापरे machine 1 टा available only for 9 hours 10 minutes. Machine 2 टा available for 10 hours and machine 3 टा available for 8 hours and 20 minutes. So these are the availability of machines. This is the complete questions. You have to make it and formulate it an equation such that where you can solve by one of the method as I told you earlier. Okay, so first of all we will see the objective function. Write down the questions because I am going to delete it. Write down the complete question. Okay. Now you have the question in your notebook. Okay. Now you have first of all the profit part. Okay. So there are two products A and B. Since there are solution, remember a formulation भी हमारा question आसी पर formulate 10 marks. Okay, so since there are two products A and B, so we have to take each A रू केतटा प्रोडक्ट तैयारी हबो, B रू केतटा प्रोडक्ट तैयारी हबो आमे नबा. तो let x1 number of product from A produced and x2 number of product from B produced. Okay, so x1 from A, x2 from B. Now here, first of all the profit part. The profit part will give us the objective function. So according to question, the profit from A per unit is 13 rupees and profit from B per unit is 12 rupees. Therefore, you can have the maximum profit from both the product is 13x1 12x2 maximum profit you can say. Okay, जेहेतु गोटे यूनिट रे 13 टका धर x1 नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स तो 13 into x1 गोटे यूनिट रे धर 12 टका बीटा प्रोड्यूस 12 units, so 12x2, this is the maximum profit the manufacturer can get from both the product. This is your objective function, you can say objective function. Okay, now we go for constraints. So there are three constraints for three machines. Machine 1 cannot be available for more than 9 hours, and machine 2 9 hours 10 minutes. Machine 2 cannot be available more than 10 hours, and machine 3 not more than available for 8 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, so I am doing the table, right? Now we take table A, B, M1, M2, M3. Now here is the table 4, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 4. Now availability. अच्छा hours and minutes रे देछि मु ताको completely minutes रे कर दूँ. Availability in minutes. Okay, first of all 9 hours and 10 minutes, that is 550 minutes. Okay, then second is your 10 hours. 10 hours means 600 hours 10 minutes, and third is your 8 hours 20 minutes, that is your 500 minutes. So maximum machine 1 can be available for 550 minutes, machine 2 available for 600 minutes, and machine 3 available for 500 minutes. So by using this table, as you know, A x1 unit is beta x2 unit is. From here you can have 4x1 plus 3x2 550, because listen गोटे यूनिट करिया पे हमको माने मशीन 1 रे रो चारिटा यूनिट हो तो 4 into x1 4 hours गोटे यूनिट करिया पे 4 hours, so 4 into x1 मशीन 2 रे 3 hours लागु तो 3 into x2, so 4x1 plus 3x2 is less than equal to 550. Then second term ro 2x1 plus 2x2 is less than 600, and finally third term 3x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 500. Listen, it is less than sign देछि. These are the maximum availability of time. You cannot exceed more than 550 minutes. ताठु हमें कम करिवा किबा लेस करिवा सेति की पर्यंत हम जाई परिबा, ताठु अधिक समय अवेलेबिलिटी हेबो नै. So now the last one, the fourth step. Normally x1 will be greater than equal to 0 because x1 is the number of products. Okay, the number of product cannot be a negative one, either it may be a 0, no product can be produced, but x1 is greater than equal to 0 and x2 also greater than equal to 0. Therefore, you will have how much? The complete LPP. Z max is equal to 13x1 plus 12x2 subject to these three equations, 4x1 plus 3x2 less than 550, then 2x1 plus 2x2 less than 600, 3x1 plus 4x2 less than 500, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. Okay, so these are the answer. It is our final answer. You can do these things by step 1, step 2, step 3 like this way. So this is your final answer. Okay, write down. Okay. Now we will go for another example. Okay. Example 2. A merchant sells two models of TV A and B of TV at 25,000 and at 50,000 per set. Respectively. Okay. He gets a profit of rupees 1,500 on A model and rupees 2,000 on model V. The sales cannot exceed the sales cannot exceed 20 sets in a month. If he cannot invest more than 6 lakhs rupees formulate the LPP determining the number of sets. Sets of each type. Keep in stock for maximum profit. Maximum profit. Okay, this is the question. Little bit longer question. Now here there are two models, A and B. A रो cost price is 25,000, B रो cost price is 50,000. Is getting 1,500 rupees on model A profit हिसाब and 2,000 in model B. Now he can sell 20 sets in a month and cannot invest 6 lakhs. These are the constraints or restrictions he has, and this is the objective function where we can get the profit. Okay, this is your questions, right? Now we go for formulation. Okay, so solution. Now here you have two models A and B according to questions. There are two models of TV. Okay, there are two models of TV, A and B. A and B. Okay, so let the merchant X1 number of TV and from model A of TV model A and X2 number of TV from model B से purchase for each selling. Okay, X1 number of model A and X2 number of model. These two are two numbers. 2, 3, 5 और 10 और 50 एमती किसी नंबर्स है. से परचेज को लगातार स्टॉक रे रखला. X1 number of TV model A and X2 number of TVs of model B. Then first of the profit part है. Profit part है हमको सब बड़े objective function रे रहला. Now what is the profit? He got profit rupees 1,500 from A and rupees 2,000 from B. So Z maximum or the profit, maximum profit will be how much? एथिर गोटे रे 1500 x1 रे 1500 x1 प्लस x2 रे 2000 लेखा 2000 x2. This is the objective function. Okay, this is the objective function is getting, right? So now Z max हे गला. Then we go for the constraint part. Okay, in the constraint part there are two restrictions. You cannot sold 20 sets of TV in a month. That means these are the X1 model A as well as model B. These are the आमर मिसे की हमें 20 set रो अधिक होगी. Therefore now the first restrictions, first constraint is x1 plus x2 must be less than 20. Okay, first constraint दीटा देखो मिसे कि 20 से टू अधिक बिक्री कर पारे. Similarly the second constraint, what is the second constraint? The second constraint says that हमने इसी 6 लाख 6 lakh he can invest. One TV रो के मॉडल का दाम 25,000. How many TV purchase or keeping stock? X1. तो second constraint will be गोटे गोटे टीवी रो दाम 25,000. X1 टा टीवी रो दाम 25,000. X1 second model B रो गोटे गोटे टीवी रो दाम 50,000. We purchase X2 number of TV तो 50,000 into X2 ए पूरा जो क्वांटिटी टा he cannot invest more than 6 lakh. जेते से मन इच्छा रखि परिबने, that is the restrictions. तो 6 लाख होबा पड़िबो 6 lakh. Okay, so these are the restrictions and the non-negative restriction as I told you, x1 greater than equal to 0, x2 greater than equal to 0. Since these are the two number of TVs, so minimum टा 0 ही परिबो, नेगेटिव तो होबनी. So 0 to more than होबो. हमें सॉल्व जदी करबा ए प्रॉब्लम देखो, we can do it. सॉल्व करले हमरा x1 and x2 रो वैल्यू आसीबो. So by without solving एबे हमें खाली फॉर्मुलेशन करबा. जदी कहिबो फॉर्मुलेट एंड सॉल्व, ताइले once you have formulate the LPP then ताको हमें सॉल्व करबा. Okay, now here these are the, this is your objective function, this is the constraint and this is the non negative restriction. मु बर्तन पूरा टाको लिखि दोछि. So now the LPP is first of all Z maximum is equal to 1500 x1 plus 2000 x2 subject to, that is x1 plus x2 less than equal to 20. ए जे हमें कैंसिल कर दे परिबा 30 30 30 and we can cancel by 25. 25 1 is 25, 25 2 0, 25 25 2 this entire 0 25 2 ja 50 1 0 25 4 ja. Okay, so it becomes x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 24 and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. एटा कैंसिल टा आउट रे देखो प्लीज कैंसिलेशन टा again I am doing. Here it is 25,000 x1, 50,000 x2 less than equal to 6 lakh. Inta 0 कटला 25 1 जा 25 2 जा 25 into 24. It ताको मु लिखि देबे. Okay, so this is your final answer where you have the LP. तो एटा 10 marks से पारे तार सॉल्यूशन ता और 10 marks से पारे. So this is all about your formulation linear programming problem. तो एमती हमर क्वेश्चंस आसीबो. Normally here the questions are very large. सेथरे तमे ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन पाइबो, सेथरु ही तमरो everything your constraints part पाइबा, सेथरु नॉन नेगेटिव restriction. By using those data we have to write objective function constraints. Constraints it data achi, it may be more than 2 hipare. It variables x1 x2 achi, it may be more than 2 3 be hipare. So okay, these are called as I told you in the last class, decision variables. Decision variables more than 2 ki 3 hipare. These are objective constraints be more than 2 ki 3 hipare. Okay, this is your all about your formulation of LBP. We will go another problem in the next class. I mean formulation we will continue kariya gote dita. Okay, so that I better बुझी पारे. Thank you. Today.